If you want to turn off Face ID on your iPhone, this is how you do it. Tap on Settings, go back to the main settings page, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode right there. Tap on that to open it. You have to enter your passcode to get in here. And if we scroll down a little bit, we see a button to reset Face ID. That's going to turn Face ID off. But if you want to turn Face ID off just for certain things, not for everything, you can choose some options here. If you want to use Face ID to unlock your phone or not, you can turn it off. So if that's the only thing you're trying to turn Face ID off for, you can just turn it off like this. But if you want it completely gone, just tap on Reset Face ID. After you do that, it's going to say Set up Face ID instead of Reset Face ID, and you can set it up again whenever you want. And you may also want to clear the trash bins on your iPhone for more space on your phone. Watch this video because I show you how. And if you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.